I love flying drones. Also, I love traveling. Welcome to my second vlog. This time, Malta. First, but the most important thing is you drive on a different side in Malta. I wasn't prepared for that. I have to switch gears with my left, I have to drive. Everything is different. Good morning, Malta. Day one. Day one. This world got so much to offer, and my dream is to see different places and different cultures. Just a different perspective. That's the point what I love most about flying FPV drones. It's a completely different perspective. It feels like you're really flying through the air yourself. Let's fly the first battery. We have a beautiful hole here. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. We're gonna come from here close to the wall. Next spot is just 5 minutes with the car. What is happening? This is crazy. Nobody's like... What was happening? I'm slowly getting used to driving here. It's not that bad actually. I'm here in White Rocks. It's called White Rocks. It's an abandoned place. It's actually a ghost town. So it's actually FPV heaven. It was an old military base. Wow, look at that. Of course, FPV also has its moments. And by moments, I mean crashes. On Malta, my first drone didn't last long. I barely got into the flow before the screen went just black and the quad, dropped. Tried it a second time and a third time, as you can see, but it didn't work out. It's not how I was expecting it, but it's not always like you expect in life. So let's see. Welcome to day 2. We had a bad moment yesterday where we crashed our drone because one of the connectors of the antennas got loose and was disconnected, so I didn't see anything from my 04 air unit. I have my backup drone here. It's actually the first one I ever built myself. We will fly in good conditions, in safe places. Don't try anything stupid. And yeah, let's go back to the Bandu. Back again, my first Bandu with a new drone, so let's go. Second. Okay. Everything here. Second Bandu crash. What do we learn? The important stuff is, what do we learn? What do we learn? Send it. Send it no matter what. That's what we learn, because if you don't send it, you don't learn. Phew, see you at the next spot. I really wanted to capture one of those little towers, because they are all over Malta and they just look incredible. Little did I know that this flight will be a special flight.
RF signal critical.
No.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, you just have to send it.
Okay, what do we have now? 2 drones broken and lost. Trip is over. I had a beautiful day today in Malta and very thankful for this trip, for this weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.